How to clear chat history. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to clear chat history on your Emo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Emo application. Once you are here, click on your profile. Now all you need to do is click on settings and you're gonna find storage and data. Click on it. Once you are here, you have the last option, which is clear chat history. Click there. Now this will permanently delete all of your chat history. So if you want to delete anyway, just click on delete and this is it. You can delete all your chat history. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.